It's John with Total Knee Coach, and I'm going to show you one quick and easy modification for your walker to move around the house better. If you've got tile or hardwood floors, sometimes as you're using that walker, even though it's got wheels on the front, these rubber stoppers on the back can make it have too much friction. It doesn't roll as easily as it should. You've probably seen people put tennis balls on the back legs. That works, but it's kind of hard to cut through the tennis ball sometimes. So, for another segment of Craft Time with John, felt furniture pads. They're super inexpensive. They're very easy to get. What you can do is just peel it off. It's got a little sticky on it. I'm going to grab one, and I'm just going to pop it right on the end of the walker like that. I'm going to take my second one, nice and easy. Peel it off. Pop it on that way. And now I'm not only going to keep my hardwood floors from getting scuffed up, that's going to roll and slide really easy.